Sorry. Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a fidget haul, and why I sound froggy is because I have a little cough, but I'm okay. So, I thought like this would be kind of cool because like there are like a bunch of like fidget videos. So I was like, this would be so fun. So, I got this at Second and Charles. And then I got these at Target. And I was like, oh my gosh, these would be great candidates for the fidget haul. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this one. Oh, but first let's talk about the box. So this is a Poppy ball. There are four to collect. Neon marble, ice cream swirl, grass, lemonade grass, rainbow mesh. And would lemonade grass be any good? That would be really gross. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so the one that I have is neon marble or rainbow mesh. I cannot tell from the box. Okay. Yep, I think I got. Okay, so I got rainbow mesh. So I'm gonna open it. Oh, cool! That's so cool. Okay, guys, so you pop it down. And then you squish it up. Pop it down. And you squish it up. That's kind of cool, right, guys? Okay, so now we're gonna do this. It's called Sluggies. It rattles when you like wiggle it. So it shows rainbow on the box, but what I got is the colors. But I know you can't make these kind of colors. It's like, what are they called? I forgot what they're called, but but the pattern is blue, red, yellow. Primary colors. I just remembered that. I'm in 3rd grade in 9. I should remember that. And it shapes. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. So a little thing about it. This one is shaped like a worm, but you could find like other animals. One time I went to Books A Million and I saw one of these, and it was a unicorn. See? It's a caterpillar, and you see how it has these little things and the eyes, and the eyes are like detailed. So this one is just gonna wiggle over here. That sounds very cool. And now my favorite part, the sensory fidget mystery box. You can find 5 fantastic fidgets. Okay, so they're in a bag. Let's count how many bags there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one first. Just gonna close my eyes and stick my hand. Okay, so we got the bubble popper. It is pink and yellow. Pink and yellow. Pink and yellow. Pink and yellow. Oh my gosh, guys, I wanted this. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Okay, now let's open. You know, I don't know why there's a hole in this. I don't know why. But like, it can fit in your backpack. In like small pockets. Okay, the next one. Okay, so this is the unicorn bracelet. No idea how you put it on. So like this? I don't know, but like it could go on your wrist because it's a bracelet. It smells weird. I like it. I don't know why. Okay. And it's like a unicorn. It's pink and it's very stretchy. Okay, next bag. Okay, after this one, we'll have 2 more. Oh yeah! It's a fidget chain. Okay, so the one on the box said it looks like green and blue, but this one is white and yellow. I have no idea. Maybe they're like different colors, you know? Wait, if you snap this together, it could almost be like a bracelet, you know, or necklace. I don't know. Okay, now let's open this one. Actually, I want to open this one. You know what I'm hoping to get? This one. I'm hoping. Look. I think I know what this one is. Do it. Okay, I don't know how to do these. Oh, I see. You do this. Wait, these are like the keychain rings, see? How did they create this? Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what I just realized? Okay, listen guys. So we got 5 bags and on the box it says 5 surprises. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. So I don't know what's going on. Oh, please let it be. Please let it be the section squeezer. Yes, it is rainbow! Oh my gosh! Okay, so it works like this. So you push it down, it goes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so on this, okay, so same thing with this. On right here, it's purple, and then and then this is rainbow. So it must be like
quickly.
Different colors. Okay. I hope you like this video, and make sure to
It's your doctor.
Share and subscribe and like.
Okay.
And I'll see you next time. Bye.